And we are here again picking apples, trying to pick apples. Let me share this live. Guys, apple is there. Share the live. How do I share with Look at apple and look at the rain. Guys, you hear the rain? Where's the apple? Look at apple on the tree and it's raining. Waiting for the live to build up still. Let's share it with some of my other persons. Tell Monique to come. Long overdue rain. It's raining. Long overdue. And it's raining. Guys, no exercise today. We're just rain watching. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds. Who said they are here to play table? Oh, you. Let's share the link. I would see the rain better with this move up. This side is like the building blocking it. But it's raining, guys. Finally we're getting some rain. Finally getting some rain. The apple tree that we raided last week, finally getting some water. So we'll soon see a lot of apples on the tree. Hi guys, welcome in. No exercise today. We are rain watching and we are apple, what do you call it now? Apple watching. Because it's raining. And if you remember last week when we were picking the apples, we were saying that if we get water, if the apple gets water, we'll have the apple bigger and we'll get more apple. So this week I'm proud to say it's raining. Oh my god, it's raining. Look guys, it's raining, cats and dog. And the apple tree is getting up water. Look at the big apple them, Denzel. Oh, we are gonna pick them.
Can't pick them, raining.
You afraid we get electrocuted?
Yo, what's up? You're gonna wet yourself. And they look nice, you know?
Yeah, them bigger than last week. Guys, last week apple started to say the ones I had picked and said I was going to make juice.
Don't get wet.
Sorry, I've ate almost half of them.
All right,
I'm sorry to say, so I have to get some more apples to make the juice. Alright? Look at the tree. Look at the tree. Welcome in, guys. Look at the tree.
You gotta pick up the apple then.
Me see it better from this side, but me see the rain more from the other side. See it? Apples, guy. Apples, rain falling, and the tree is full of apples. Come and get apples. Come in and get some apples. It's raining. No gym today because it's cold. So the faithful apple tree. Look at those big apple, nice red one in the tree. Jesus, and we can't get to pick it now. It's raining. We're finally getting some rain. Welcome in, guys. Welcome into my live today. As the title say, raining in Kingston, and we are apple watching. That you say? Apple watching. So that's definitely what I'm doing. I'm watching the apples, getting some needed water to get big and juicy. And it's raining. The guys are exercising, but it's raining, guys. Look at the sky. It's heavily overcast. It's just constantly raining, and it's not heavy. It just, if you look at the ground, the water, but it's constantly from about what time we getting rain? What you call it? The Mona Reservoir wants the rain so that we can stop having these water lockups. So we're happy to have the rain. We have not seen this amount of rain from when? December or before? Yes, so we're finally getting some well-needed rain. Inside the house will be cooler tonight. Even the birds are happy. Even the birds are happy. Denzel, you're coming back with a stick for us to pick. Where I'm gone? I'm gone. Welcome in, guys. It's a rainy day in Kingston City. So no exercise today. Even though it's inside it's cold. So we're watching apple today. What do you remember when it's raining growing up as a child? What do you remember when it's raining growing up? We would tell a lot of story. Would be inside nice and warm. The soup will be on the fire. Yes. Growing up when it's rain, your parents normally cook soup, chicken foot soup or chicken soup, beef soup. Some would cook stew peas. Some maybe porridge. I love porridge. Rainy day. Rainy day. Who is on the live, guys? You're not talking to me. Type something. Let me see. Let we correspond. Let we have a conversation. Type a comment, question. We're still in the gym, but it's raining. Can't pick them from here, so you know, it's too far. It's too far to pick. It is too far to pick. Who want to come and help pick some apples? Apple picking, apple watching. So guys, you know what this means? Tomorrow, if there's no rain, we get some good apple. Yeah, some good apple tomorrow. So guys, from apple picking to some TT, we're going to see what's going on with the table tennis playing. So let's go. Bye guys. So let's go see what's going on. See what's going on in the table tennis room. I'm gonna see what's going on, what they're playing, because it's raining on the outside. We cannot play volleyball today, so we are going to try and play table tennis. So on my way over, guys. So we are going to be playing TT. TT time, guys. Woo! That's your phone. He's going to video me, let me play. It's TT time, TT. Hi, Velma. Welcome into my live. Welcome in. Welcome in, Velma. I've just show us watching Apple in the rain, and now I'm in the table tennis room trying to get some table tennis going. Waiting on the player. Boop, 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 boop. It's TT time. Share the live, Velma, please. Share the live. Share the live. All right. Here we go again. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. That's a loss. Come on, guys. Ooh. You can play, man. You can play. Ooh. So guys, in order for me not to get into any trouble with these guys, I'm not showing their faces. Only my face. Hey, oh, wow, excellent. So guys, if you don't know TT play table tennis, this is how it is done. Your aim is to let the ball bounce on the table, then have to go over the next side for you to win. If the person don't hit it back, look at that. See it? You have to try to keep it on the table and hit it over the net to your opponent. So that's how table tennis play. Again. Yes. And that's what you call a serve. See it? It's a serve. Yeah. And then you can slam. This is another form of exercising. You can do TT and get a good amount of exercise. The aim is to keep the ball on the table. And let it go over the opponent's side. So if it don't go over there, you lost a point. Thea Rich, welcome in, girl. We're trying. It's raining in Kingston City.
Poor sir.
Ooh, ooh. In fact, share the live, Theo. Share the live. Good evening. Welcome in. I'm not playing. Not today. I'm videoing today. But I can play. I can play. Done. Thank you. I can play. All right, so she would have lost that. Woo! That's not good because it didn't touch the table. I don't know you're not getting on ping. And also, I shared the live though on my page, and I was trying to share it to other persons. But yes, I was picking apple in the rain. Not picking apple, was apple watching in the rain, and then I came here now. I'm here watching TT. Because it's raining, there's nothing else to do. You have to, you want some apple? Yes, the tree full of apple. You know? Watch about the video from start and you see the apple them up on the tree. And it's raining. Here there. And it's raining and we can't pick it. But here, Denzel said if you want to pay him, he will climb it in the rain and pick the apple for you. I want apple too, because the last apple I said me picking, guys, I'm confessing, ate almost 3/4 of them. So I need more to make the juice. I'm not joking. I eat almost all of those apples. So TT time. I'm saying if you don't know how to play TT, you have to serve like that. Make sure it go over your opponent's side, and then you guys eat it. It must stay on the board. If it comes off the board, it's a point. It's a point lost. Me will pay him. Yes, tell him mine lightning though. Here, yes, I'll tell him that. You hear? My friend said for mine lightning. And thunder too. Yes, because it's raining, but it's not hard, but it's raining. Yes. Him token? Yeah, man, him token. He's a pastor and he's a married man. Yes, him token. If you watch my other video before, you'll see him. My other live. Yes, sir. Him taken from head to toe. He's taken. 27 years ago. There. So, no hope. Tell her the JC. Tell her the. You know, here, if you don't want no extramarital nothing. If you don't want no extramarital nothing. He's a reverend. He's a pastor. So I don't think so. Him say you have to live what him preach. Me say me FB family them love ask about OPP. Here, you can't reverence him. You can't reverence her, she said.
What is her name?
She's Thea Rich. You hear the name? Thea Rich.
She's a Jamaican?
Are you Jamaican, Thea? He's asking. Let me know. Are you a Jamaican? Thea? You get cold feet? Nope.
That's the reverend.
She said no. She says she's not.
She's not a Haitian.
The only one who say you're not Asian.
Ooh.
I don't think so. See it? Pay attention to the game. You know, think about who is taken from who not taken. And who want reverence and who not reverence. Behave yourself in the classroom. Oh, she's from Africa. Oh, man. Welcome, Thea. Oh, Africa on my live you. From the motherland. I want to go to Africa one day. Africa have rich places and nice places, you know. Where Cora come from again? She always talking about where in Africa again? I can't remember, but Africa have some rich places. Nigeria. Oh yes, Nigeria. Nigeria is cool. You see that? Oh, you do that, so to her. I saw him stay sometime a year and just boom on the table. Nigeria is nice, I heard. I would love to be. I would love to visit Nigeria. I see some nice places on the lives. Me not play. When I go give me a play and come give me a play and come video me. Come give me a play. Me I go play now, guys. Watch it now. Come here. Yes, I send it on the board. You can't video me. So I'm gonna play, guys. You lost. See? You want to smudge me and it doesn't touch the board. Come on. Oh, I lost that. Okay. That no go.
No, it's off the board now, I mean, that's the fan.
No, that
I'm sure
you should have
make
made
it
it
go.
go.
Alright.
Alright. I'm gonna teach you people, alright? Every time he decides to stand, you lost. What they say? Woo! Hey! Yay! I'm winning, guys. I'm winning. I've won it before. I'm winning, guys. I'm winning. Woo! I'm winning. About 4, that's enough.
No, we don't. She's up on top, that comes back.
See, I'm winning, guys. I'm just
Alright, well,
winning.
5 of done.
I'm winning. I'm just winning. I'm just too good for him. Oh, he got one. Finally.
Alright, is that over?
Hey! All the rooms and the bathroom over the side. What they saying? I'm winning, guys. But I'm still leading. No, that's never good. That bumps too much time.
Where? No, right over.
Sure. When I like the backhand something. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. I must reach 11 now. Guys, in order to win, you must reach 11. I'm done that long time. Whoops. Jeez, that was good. What I'm saying?
Don't say any comments. I don't see the comments.
Guys, we can play. Oh, see, did I comment there from before? Yeah, tell me if we can play now. Yep, watch there. That's lost. That's a loss for you. Come. See it? We reach 11 long time, guys. No win.
Ah!
I win. Let's get another ball.
Oh.
Alright, last Guys, I won. Me soon come back. Okay. I won. I'm tired. See what time? Soon 6 o'clock. So guys, it's soon time for me to end the live. Oh, you're in the kitchen. Okay, JCM. I was playing a while ago. You didn't see me? You miss it. I was playing. Whew. What was that? What was that? Tell me, what was that? Watch there. Watch there. Him always I do that and I lose. Nah, settle down. Settle down, man. Yes, you see me? Good girl. Good girl. It's a form of exercise too. So I can do table tennis and I can do the workouts. It's good. So I did the TT just now and I'm feeling a little better. I'm feeling much better. Yeah. Than when I came on. It's a good form of exercise, guys. So get in the gym or get on the playing field and do some TT work. It's good. Keep you moving also. Nah, serve good enough. Whoa! What? No, that was good. Good for you. You never did expect her to do that. Look at that. That shots. Shots. Look at that. Look at that shot. Woo, woo. I'm going to 35 minutes, guys, and then I'm going to cut the live because I have another engagement. I have a Toastmasters engagement. I'm also a member of the Toastmasters International. It's very good, guys. Very good with public speaking, grammar, everything you learn. Yes, it's a very good international platform to build your confidence. So I'll be going there shortly. Why not go and go live today? Maybe another day. Maybe when I'm doing my speech, I will go live. Yay! Yay! See, take your time, man. When you don't take your time, you'll lose. Yes. And it's easy to play. You have to just focus. Focus, focus, focus. Right now, I'm kind of sweating because I was playing.
Wow, that's short.
Yeah.
Ooh, who is that?
Show you guys. See it? I'm kind of sweating and I just played for a little while. Yes, sweat is good.
Wow.
Sweat is very good. So I can't say I didn't work out today. I did. So, JC Money, I'm gonna have to cut the live. So,
That was impossible.
so see you guys another time in my other live. Remember to check out my YouTube channel and subscribe and watch my videos. I have cooking videos, I have vlogs, I have smoothie juice, lots more other videos, and I also have a new channel named Anne's Kitchen and More. Check it out, subscribe and support. All right, drop your YouTube channel in the link. I will also support yours. All right, so until next time, peace out, guys. Whoosh, I'm out of here. Prince, Princess Rose, why you just coming? I'm just ending the live. I'm just ending the live. Today I didn't do any workout. I was rain and apple watching. And now we are table tennising. Yes. Yes, go ahead and work out. But I'm not I did my workout on the table tennis board already. You're there. You're just too fancy to do your workout, you know. Pearls? I can't manage. You dress too fancy to do your workout. Yeah, so I'm just about to log out because I have another engagement, and I did my workout already on the table tennis board. I did play. If you rewatch the live, you'll see me knocking a few balls. Yes. So, yes, so the lady's making him work. Work, man, work. Good for you. It's work, man. So, yes, princess. Bye. Have a great evening, too.
I need to see that.
Because I'm trying to end this live.